there and welcome to Tarot Tree Trunk. I'm back with yet another pick a card reading for the month of June 2021. I hope that the first week of June went by easy peasy lemon squeezy for all of you out there. Also, this is just to give you a general forecast of what June has in store for you of this year. Alright, and also before we start, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can always drop in a comment if at all you wish to get in touch with me for private reading. All the details will be here in the description box below. You can either email me at the given email ID in the description, or you can always follow me on Instagram, which goes by Tarot Tree Trunk. Just DM me with the details and we'll take it from there. Okay, alright, very quickly, there are 3 batches in front of you guys. The leaf, the pink one, the bunny rabbit, and the bow. Or you can just go by the number that resonates with you, that is batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Also, I'll be picking one oracle card at the end of it by the Angel Answers Oracle deck. Alright, just to give you a little more sort of a confirmation of anything. So if there's any question that you have in your mind, so just think about it as you pick the batch, and at the end of the reading, when I reveal the oracle card, you'll sort of have an answer. You might have an answer, or you might just have some sort of a guidance into whatever doubts you have, or whatever that question is. Alright, great. So guys, we're gonna start with the leaf, that is batch 1. Alright, batch 1, hello and welcome to your reading. This is a reading for you for this month of June. Let's see how it pans out. Like I said, that if you have any question, please just think about it, and by the end of the session, when I pull out your oracle, you will have your answer. And I'm just going to place it there. Great, so let's see what's your current situation. We have the Knight of Cups, interesting, the World. Okay, so the World is crossing, 9 of Cups, ooh, Knight of Cups. Let me just push this a little further away. Then we have the 7 of Wands. Someone's being very stubborn. Who's being stubborn? You are being stubborn. Someone is. Okay, and then we have the 5 of Swords. Okay, yeah, well, you have the stubborn card, standing your ground card. You have the walking away from some sort of a sticky situation. Okay, if you can see it. Okay, so right off the bat, guys, there is some sort of an offer that you're probably waiting for, that is probably going to mean a lot to you and a lot for you. With the Knight of Cups, it is some sort of an offer that you are waiting for, that that will probably kind of culminate in some sort of a completion. So it could either be personal in nature, maybe it's just you're waiting for somebody to propose, or you're waiting to propose to somebody, or it could just be a job that you're waiting for. However, I do have the 9 of Cups over here, which is a wish fulfillment card, which is also in your it's your foundation card, which means that whatever this sort of, whether it's a confirmation, whether it's a whether it's a job, or it's something to do with the matters of the heart, your wishes are definitely coming true. Also, the overall energy for this month, what I see is the 6 of Wands for all 3 batches. So there's definitely victory in your grasp, for sure. There are no two ways about it. Then you have the Knight of Wheels. I think things have just been a little, well, things have been slow for everybody, to be very honest. With the Knight of Wheels, that's what we see. But even though Knight of Wheels is a slow moving energy, it is a very stable and steady energy, which is what probably we all crave for, right? Any which way. So in a way, it's actually a good thing, because it's not a stagnant energy, it's a moving energy, but it's slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race, guys, right? However, if this is a work situation, I do feel like, something probably at your work, in your workspace, is going to, maybe you would be blamed for something that you have not done, and probably, you have colleagues conspiring against you in some way or the other. But you're going to stand your ground, okay? However, if it's not that, then I feel that if it's personal in nature, if it's something to do with a relationship, then I suppose that for some of you this could be a divorce, guys. I don't know why I got that. I just suddenly did. However, I feel that this divorce that you have asked for from your spouse, which kind of was on a hold because of the whole pandemic situation, and things are going very, very, very slow, I feel that it will happen. Give it time, it will happen. Something is going to start moving, because you also have the Six of Wands. While this also talks about if this is something to do with you proposing marriage to somebody, to your better half, to your special someone, it will happen. But there is going to be some sort of a walking away for a bit, for some of you. Or maybe the person has walked away from you, and you are asking them to come back to you, and you are standing your ground. Alright. However, probably you will feel that this is a no-win situation, and you yourself will walk away. So basically, it's like, nobody is really going to win with the Five of Swords. If this is something to do with your love relationship, or if it's a marriage, then I feel that for some of you are definitely getting divorced, and the divorce proceedings are taking way too long, but it's happening, because you have the Six of Wands as the general energy of this month, because you're standing your ground. And I do see two people walking away from each other. It's not exactly victorious for either of the parties, but you do walk away from each other. It's not going to be a happy walking away. But then, because it's Nine of Wands, I feel it. Nine of Cups, I feel like it has more to do with a lot of you who are getting a divorce out there, or maybe it's a breakup. That also could be. Maybe it's a breakup. All right. Maybe you have found somebody else. Even if you're married, maybe you've already found somebody else, and you're just waiting for things to come to an end with the world. You just want that one phase of your life to come to an end, so that you can move ahead and move forward in life. And I see that happening, because maybe by the end of this month, because you're standing your ground, because you're being very stubborn about it, which is not a bad thing, to be very honest. It's a good thing. Things will start moving in your favor. I do see that happening. And maybe for some of you, within 6 months, you're going to, if it's a divorce, I'm getting a very strong divorce, or a separation happening between you and your partner. And this is mostly for those people who are looking to separate from their partners. All right. Now, if it's a job situation, if it's at your professional front, then most probably you have been offered something really nice from somewhere. You were waiting to leave this job, but again, because of the whole pandemic, you were at a standstill and things were moving very, very slowly. and maybe when it's granted where you can leave your job, something's going to come up where probably people are going to point fingers at you and say that, oh, but this you did not do well or properly, or it just wasn't well done, and you will just stand your ground and say that that's not true. It's not true at all. Or it could also be that you have been falsely blamed for something that went wrong within your workspace, and so you decide to quit and leave. So it's a no-win situation, neither for you nor for them, the company that you're working for, or the people you're having the tiff with. However, having said that, I do feel that victory is in your grasp, because it is going to be good for you in the long run. All right, 6 days to 6 months is what I see here, or it could also be 6 weeks. 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months. It could be quicker too, but 6 is very significant over here. Great, so that's your reading. That is what I see for you. There's nothing else that I'm getting here. If it's something to do with money matters, then probably you had invested in something and then it got stuck, and then it was something that you had already always wished for and you wanted it to happen, and then it just sort of, things might look like you would have to walk away from that situation in terms of whatever money you've invested in, but it's going to turn out for the best, right? Because you will see the benefits of it within 6 days, 6 months to 6 weeks. Now, whatever your question is, think about it, because I'm going to take your oracle card, and it says yes with an exclamation mark, which means that whatever your question was, guys, the answer is yes. All right, and also a confirmation of everything that I read out, all the possibilities that I did see in this reading. It's a yes. All right, great. So batch 1, the pink leaf, this was your reading. I hope this resonated with you, and I hope this helped you. If it didn't, you can always go and refer to the other 2 batches and see whatever storyline resonates with you. If you do wish to avail a personal reading, you're most welcome to get in touch with me via email, or you can DM me on Instagram, Tarot Tree Trunk. Great, thank you so much. Wish you a very, very happy June 2021, and very smoothly, swiftly, quickly moving on to the second batch, the rabbit. Batch number 2, welcome to your reading. For those of you who selected this very cute rabbit, this is your reading for the month of June 2021. This is your oracle card that I will be revealing at the end of the reading. So whatever question you have, this will kind of guide you towards it, and also sort of guidance and advice for what to do just in case, depending on what your reading reveals. So let's see what's your current situation. 4 of Swords, resting, recuperating. Maybe some of you are still have been affected by COVID and you're resting, recuperating, which is a good thing. Page of Wands, which you will. 7 of Cups. Dear Lord. What's happening? Okay. 7 of Cups. This is 4 of Swords, Page of Wands, 7 of Cups, the High Priestess, the Knight of Wands, and Justice. Ew. I'm again getting a very strong divorce vibe from this batch too. A lot of divorces are happening, I think, since I don't know how many years, but definitely since last year. I think the number has increased. If not a divorce, then it's a separation. Even if that's not the case with you, then most probably it is, like I said, some of you are just going through health issues. You probably even have undergone a surgery. So there's not a lot of clarity is what I see here. I just feel there's not a lot of clarity for a lot of you, because you are just not in that state of mind. You kind of stepped back. With the Four of Swords, it's basically resting after a very long battle, right? So if it's a health situation, then resting and recuperating is what is advised. However, with the Page of Wands, it's a very energetic card. It's a very positive card. It's a card of communication, which also means that you do have a lot of support in terms of that, whatever you're going through, whatever ailment you're going through, you will get out of it without any problem. It's just that maybe you're not very clear in your head, and that happens. If you're not healthy, of course you wouldn't have any clarity in your mind and thinking. But yeah, for those of you who are suffering with a health issue, or if it's a health condition, then I do see things sort of improving for you with the Knight of Wands. So there's a lot of energy, a lot of vigor, a lot of positivity, a lot of forward movement. All right, so if that is what is confusing you, or you feel like it's just taking forever to recuperate, then don't worry, because I see that happening this very month. All right, justice is going to prevail. Maybe for a lot of you, it's a long-standing illness. Maybe that's why you feel like this is just a never-ending process. However, having said that, don't worry about it. Maybe in the past things have not been too clear for you, but the concerned physician, doctor, whomever, whatever, pertaining to your condition, this person has helped you and is helping you to get back into shape. Okay, with the Justice card, of course, it's all about justice, and justice will prevail. So which means that this month is all about forward movement with the Knight of Wands. Now, and also the overall energy for all three batches is the Six of Wands, which is again a very energetic. It's the Wands energy, so it's very energetic. It's very positive. It's very it's full of life and full of fire. And Six of Wands is a victory, so you will be victorious by the end of this month, whatever the issue is. Now, again, very very strong. I'm getting divorce or a separation vibe of this. Maybe there's no clarity, like I said, that you have just sort of retreated. You've gone into a shell of sorts, and by that what I mean is that you've just fought for so long, be it a relationship or a marriage, in whatever capacity. You've just fought so long that now you're so tired that you're taking some time out. You're just resting, because there's no clarity of the situation in your mind, because the Seven of Cups, that's what it says. And in the past, probably from your partner's side, your spouse's side, there's been no clarity. There have been things that are not exactly exposed to you. Probably this person, your spouse, your better half, or your partner has just been sort of not exactly somebody you understand completely. This is not exactly a person whom you get great vibes from. I never read the High Priestess this way, but somehow in this reading I feel that that's the energy that I'm getting. Now, with the Knight of Wands and the Justice, this month things are going to start moving forward. Things are going to start looking up, because you have the Page of Wands, which is crossing the Six of Swords, the Four of Swords, which means that there is information coming in. Things are happening, all right? Communication is happening. Messages are being received regarding this issue or this problem, all right, that you're facing. And with the Knight of Wands and Justice is, of course, it will happen. So if you're wondering, am I going to get a divorce? Am I going to get separated from this person? Because you just feel that this person is very difficult. For some of you, this person could be a Piscean, because it's the High Priestess. yeah, so it could be a man or a woman, but just energy is such that this person is just not letting you go off that easily. There are things that are happening in the background that you feel that in the past that you were not privy to. Okay, but now things are moving forward. Things will start moving forward this month, hence, and justice will prevail. So from now on, all right, maybe for in another 6 days, 6 weeks or 6 months, you will see a very you will see things starting to move in your favor. Six of Wands is victory, so victory is in your grasp. Justice again talks about court cases, divorces, all of that, litigation, all basically anything to do with the law, literally in this case. All right. So yeah, so for those of you who are wondering that will you ever be granted a divorce, yes, 6 days. For some of you it will be 6 days. Suddenly out of the blue it's just going to happen. Because things are going to move very rapidly, guys, with the Knight of Wands. So while you might think that this is just going very slow, it's going to move very swiftly, which is a great thing. And then you have the Six of Wands too, which is again about, like I said, winning, victory. Justice is again winning and victory, in the sense that, you know, it probably would go in your favor. If there's not a divorce, it could be a separation, which is just like, you want to break up and it's difficult because your partner is very difficult and all of that, but it will happen. And like I said, 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months tops, right? So now whatever your question is, think about it and let's see what does your angel have to say. Perfect timing. Wow. Oh, I'm so sorry. If in case this is not a relationship or a marriage, if it's about your job and there is some sort of confusion happening at your work front, wherein you have literally like just taken some time off, or maybe for the past 4 months you have just sort of been, maybe you've been out of a job, you got laid off, and maybe that's why you're a little, little melancholic. I won't say depressed. You're melancholic. You're just you're out of sorts. For those of you who are confused about some sort of a choice or some sort of, maybe you have applied or you had applied in the past for a lot of jobs, and then you just feel like nothing is happening. It's been 4 months, or maybe it could have been even 4 years, and things have not been very clear in the past. The news, the information, the confirmation letter is coming in, because things are going to start moving forward very quickly for you guys. And maybe for some of you, within 6 days you're going to get offered a job. All right, hence justice will prevail, and this month is going to be very quick, energetic, fiery, all of that. All right, and you will be looking forward to things in this month, hence perfect timing. So for those of you who are thinking that it's just taking forever, trust in the process, because everything happens according to the perfect timing. So the perfect timing could be this month within 6 days. It could be 6 weeks from now, from the time you're watching this reading, or 6 months from now. Alright, batch 2, the bunny rabbit. This is your reading. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. This is literally like the bunny. Wait, is this bunny or is this Mickey Mouse? I called it bunny. I think it's a bunny. It could be a Mickey Mouse. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this reading and I hope this resonated with you. Do let me know in the comment section if you'd like to share if this resonated with you, and also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can always get in touch with me via email, or you can just follow me and DM me on Tattoo Tree Trunk on Instagram. Alright, thank you so much, Vastu. I actually like your reading. It's quite nice. It's very positive. I love it. Good luck and happy June 2021. Moving on to the third batch, the bow. Alright, batch 3, this is your reading. Welcome. And this is, let's see how your June 2021 is going to pan out for you. I do have this oracle card, so at the end of it, which I will be pulling out and revealing. So if you have any question in mind, this oracle guidance can sort of give you an answer, just help you in some way or the other. All right. Your current situation is 8 of Wheels. You're working very hard on something. You're being very diligent about something. You're being very patient about it. You're patiently working hard. It has to be about money building. You're building your finances, or it's just some sort of a new job that you've probably started. Queen of Swords, 5 of Wheels, 2 of Wheels. Okay, this is a very financial based batch. So, okay. Right off the bat, to begin with, this is, you have like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 Pentacles cards, which means it's definitely got to do with your finances. So those of you who have picked this batch, you are working very hard to build your finances. You're being very patient about it, and probably it's sort of getting to you because of the whole situation surrounding us with the virus and whatnot. Probably there could have been something new that you started. I think a lot of you have started your own business, and that's the reason why you're working so hard with the 8 of Wheels, and you're being very diligent, you're being very patient about it. Although it is testing your patience, that's what I feel, is testing your patience with the 8 of Wheels. There has been a new beginning. Maybe you started your work right now, this month, or you will be. The Queen of Swords tells me that you are somebody who has been through a lot in your life. You have literally, you have learned with your experience, and that's the reason you decided to start this business or start out something on your own. This month is going to be a little tricky, guys, in terms of your finances and your money, because we have the 5 of Wheels and the 2 of Wheels, so there's going to be a lot of juggling. You will have to be very, very sensible, and you have to be very astute about managing your finances this month particularly, because with the 5 of Wheels, it's more about just being left out in the open without any money, feeling dejected, feeling very, basically your patience is being tested this month. But there's always a silver lining, which is the 6 of Wands. This is the general energy for the month for all the 3 batches, which is a lovely energy. It's the 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands is about 6 of Wands says victory. So you will emerge as a victor. Everything, whatever you're striving and struggling for, you will be victorious in it. 6 days from now, 6 weeks from now, 6 months. If it's a business, give it 6 months. It's not going to happen in 6 months, in 6 days or 6 weeks. 6 months is a good time. You will start seeing it pick up. But this month, however, it is going to be a little dicey in terms of, you feeling just very left out, or feeling that you don't have enough finances. You started off on the right foot, but as the month progresses, you're going to feel that you're not being able to sort of balance your finances, or maybe you might just feel that people probably had promised you to back you up financially, and maybe that's what's going to happen, that you feel that it didn't really work, they backed out at the last moment, and because of which you would be juggling, you would be running around to get the money flowing into the business. But it's all going to pay off in the long run, because like I said, 6 of Wands. So this actually all 3. June is actually, whatever you are going through, whatever your problems are, each of you, your individual issues, your whatever you're striving and struggling for, eventually I see everything working out. And like I said, for some it's going to take just 6 days, for some 6 weeks, but 6 months. But 6 is very, very that's the key number here. It could also be that just people who have a family with kids and whatnot, maybe this month is going to be a little tight for you financially, and it's probably like testing your patience. It's literally driving you up the wall, and you're controlling yourself. And while there is money, there just isn't enough, and maybe that is what is sort of going to get to you this month. You're going to feel a little left out. Maybe you just feel that your family is not understanding your current position, and you're just going to feel very dejected. Okay, but what I would say is that just write it out. Just sit it out. Don't think so much about it. It's just a phase. This month is going to come and go, and things will get better, right? If at all, for some of you who have chosen this, although this is a very strong like job, finance, reading, if it's a relationship, then I probably, because of the Queen of Swords, maybe you are somebody. Oh yeah, for those of you who have just started your job, maybe you just currently divorced, or you are a divorcee, and that's why you're setting out on your own. And that's the reason, the 5 wheels and the 2 wheels, because you're just starting out on your own. You're doing it on your own, and it's going to feel and seem difficult. Maybe for the first time in your life, you're doing something on your own, because you probably were with your partner for a very long time and depended on them. Even though you're a very hard-working person, and I see you working very hard this month, and also for like the coming 6 to 7 months, or from here onwards, actually. Yeah, so for those of you who are just like starting out on your own, and the patience that you have, that is your strength. All right, and whatever money issues and money problems you do have, it's all going to sort out, and it's not going to take too long, so don't worry about it. All right, for some of you, again, I think all 3 batches, I'm just seeing very, very strong divorce energies, or separation. So for those of you who are undergoing a separation, and this has to do with alimony, or this has to do with not getting the divorce, or maybe you worked very hard with your relationship with your spouse and it didn't work out, and then suddenly you feel that they've suddenly slapped the divorce papers on your face, and you're feeling left out, and you feel like you don't have your finances in place, and how are you going to manage? But like I said, that 6 months from now, you will be the victor, and not your spouse, and not your partner. Alright, this is a little heavy on your energy, to be very honest, this batch, but like I said, the silver lining, 6 of Wands, everything will fall into place. Now whatever your question is, think about it, and let's see what the angels have to say. Meditation brings answers. Yes, guys, this whole feeling of being dejected, this feeling of how you feel like you've been left out in the cold, with no support system whatsoever, no financial support whatsoever. Just meditate and you'll get the answers. I know it's very difficult to do it when you're going through a lot, but trust me, meditation does help. Even if it's just for a minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. You don't have to sit and meditate for hours. That doesn't help. But even if you do it for a minute, it'll bring you that much more peace, and you will find your answers. And honestly, I already I see things panning out for you wonderfully. 6 months is what I get here. If it's work based, if it's a profession, then probably 6 days to 6 weeks, but 6 months for sure. All right. So batch 3, the bow. This was your reading. Thank you so much. I hope this helps for those of you this resonated with. I really hope this helped you. If you would like to get in touch with me for a private reading, you're most welcome to do. Also, I would love to hear from you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy June. I love you all a lot, and just hang in there. Alright, God's there to look after all of us. Bye.